Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about short haircut ideas for older women. Short hair is easy to manage, looks neat and give a fresh and confident look. As we grow older, hair becomes thin and dry. That is why short haircuts are a great choice. They save time, need less styling and still look very stylish. Let's talk about some beautiful short haircut ideas for older women. First is the short bob haircut. A short bob is classic and never goes out of style. It looks good and almost every face shape. You can wear it straight or slightly wavy for a soft look. Next is the pixie haircut. Pixie cuts are very popular among older women. They are short, light and easy to care for. Pixie cuts give a young and bold look and are perfect for thin hair. Another great style is the layered short haircut. Layers add volume to the hair. This haircut is perfect for women with fine or flat hair. It gives a fuller and healthier appearance. Now let's talk about the short haircut with side bangs. Side bangs make the face look soft and balanced. They hide fine line on the forehead and add style to the haircut. This style looks elegant and modern. The short curly haircut is also a lovely choice. Natural curls look beautiful in short length. A short curly cut gives bounce and volume. It also gives a cheerful and lively look. Next is a short grey haircut. Grey hair is natural and beautiful. A neat short haircut makes grey hair look stylish and confident. Many women choose to proudly show their grey hair. Another easy style is the low maintenance haircut ideas. This haircut needs very little styling, just wash, dry and you are ready to go. It is perfect for daily life and busy routine. When choosing a short haircut, always think about your face shape and hair type. Talk to your hairstylist and choose what feels comfortable. Comfort and confidence are more important than trend. Short haircuts are not about age, they are about feeling good and looking confident. A good haircut can make you feel fresh and happy. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. New and attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different, one another beautiful and attractive. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.